So the other day, I was mindlessly clicking around the internet, and somehow I stumbled across this crazy cool video. Apparently, you can skin a watermelon. I know, thought it was crazy too. So naturally, I had to give it a shot. And I'm just gonna ruin the surprise right now. It actually worked. But it's not maybe what you'd expect. And because of that, I'm gonna show you step by step how to do it. The key here is starting with not just one, but 2 watermelons. And I'll also note that it's very important for these 2 watermelons to be similar in shape and size, and you can probably see where this is going. First, you're gonna wanna take watermelon number 1 and make a series of shallow, straight cuts along the outside. Pretty much do this until all of the green is gone. This may go without saying, a sharp knife in this situation really does make this part a lot easier. At this point, you'll notice you might still have some rough edges from all those flat cuts. This is where you're gonna bring out your watermelon sandpaper, also known as dish scrubbing pads. You can use these to smooth everything out, and yes, it will make a huge, sticky watermelon mess. All right, now let's move on to watermelon number 2. And this part's fairly simple. Cut it in half. Remove the insides in any way that you choose. And carve it out with a spoon. Now take all 3 pieces and combine them to finish your masterpiece. You will now have the coolest side dish to any picnic potluck. You're welcome.